Hello fellow makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my June BoxyCharm box and doing a try on as well. If you're interested in how I got this look using some of the products from my box, please continue watching. Okay, here's this month's box. Opening it up, this is the card that comes with it, and this month's themes is the Oasis. The first product I'm going to be using is this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio. These are the colors that come in it. And I'm going to go ahead and use these as eyeshadows, and I'm going to use this as my blush, bronzer, and highlight for my face. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this color as my overall eye color. And it blends really nicely, I must say. The next product from the box I'm going to be using is the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. And this is the box it comes in. The color is black. And this is what the tube looks like. The next product from the box I'm going to be using is this CAB Lip Liner Lip Gloss Duo Set in the color Charming, and this is what the box looks like. This is what the lip liner looks like, and this is a lip gloss. The next item from the box is this Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash, and this is what it looks like. I have used it one time and I do like it, and I will continue to use it. Would I repurchase? Probably not. I like my Neutrogena, and I do have more face washes from previous BoxyCharm boxes. And the last product in the box is this First Aid Beauty KP Body Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. It says it's an exfoliant, and I did try it today in a shower, and it's very, very fine, even finer than sand, but I really liked it. I did it right here on my chest where I have a acne area, and my skin does feel very soft. So I'm very pleased with this product, and I will continue to use it. So the overall total value of the box was $140, and I'll give you a breakdown by item. The Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash was $24. The Laura Geller Trio Set was also $24. The Lily Lashes, also $24. The lip liner and lip gloss set was $40, and the First Aid Body Scrub was $18. Overall, I'm very pleased with this month's box. I like everything I got in it. The only thing that I will say about this Laura Geller palette is that it does crease. Even though it says it dries down to a powder, I do notice creasing on my eyelid, below my eyes. I feel like this would be a great palette to use for a beach day where it's more creamier, and you don't want to put on powder because you're going to be in the water. I also like that it blends out beautifully on the skin, on the eyes. especially this color blended out really, really nice. Yeah, so overall, I was very happy with this month's box. I hope you liked my video. Please let me know what you received in your box. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Why or why not? And until next time, bye.